We look different.
This is it. This is the live in Okinawa.
I just popped a pimple on my head.
I'm sure that's what people want to hear. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, we are live.
We're not driving quite yet because we're eating.
Yeah, we get up really late, guys, because we work until 3 a.m. a lot of the time.
Yeah, we do.
So
Well, today I got it's like a little sushi platter, or a nigiri, or not nigiri, maki platter.
Oh, do you need chopsticks?
I have chopsticks.
Okay. Well, mine's a hand thing. Welcome, guys. Hello. Good morning. Good night, where you guys are. So, we're eating sane today. This is what I got. Looks pretty good.
We're probably not. Hi, Kathy. We're probably not going around the whole island because that would take hours. But we're gonna drive portions of it today. If you're new, good morning, Lily. If you guys are new, I'm Kit. That's Matt. Hey, Sean. We are the hosts of Live in Okinawa. Each week we do something different. This week we are just going to be driving around. I don't have any destinations in mind.
I don't think anyone's new.
I
I don't know. Leave a comment if you're new. If this is your first time. I don't know how they'd be seeing this, though. They're like following the page.
Yeah, that could be.
Following.
Like they finally caught us. Hi.
They just found the page.
Yo. Hi, Donald from Ohio. Sorry, I'm gonna try to eat this as fast as I can because I know we all want to get out. I also have to get gas.
Here's our view. It's a Sane parking lot.
I can imagine because we lived in California, Joe.
Yeah, I'm sure it's like the same.
Mm-hmm. It's about $5, right? Just kidding.
$5? Where'd you get that? The dumpster?
Oh, thank you, Kathy. Yeah, we're pretty excited that people took to it so receptively. I'm drinking Pocari Sweat. And Matt's drinking
Okinawa, baby.
So this right here
Garden lemon tea.
was 398 yen, which is about $4. Less than $4, right?
These two things, 258 yen. So $2.50 about. And they're pretty good.
I like those.
So you guys get to watch Seat. If you're here for the drive,
Hi, Janet. Thank you.
come back in 5 minutes.
I'll try to scarf it down as fast as possible. I have a Charlie horse brewing, so I'm kind of nervous to drive.
What's that? Is it Rihanna? I don't know.
I don't know how you're getting Charlie horse and Rihanna together.
No, the shut up and drive.
Oh.
What song is that?
Is that what she sang?
I don't know.
Is that what I don't know.
I don't think it's Rihanna. I think I just said Rihanna.
Oh, the Halloween design? Yeah, I had fun making that. I kind of went crazy with it. I probably should have made it simpler. Kendall, I actually don't know. We're just going to be driving today. As soon as I scarf this down, we're going to head out. We also have to, I keep forgetting we have to get gas.
Hey, you guys get to get gas with us. Yay!
I know people wonder about gas prices. We're going to find out today.
Maybe we could go to one of those that they fill up your tank. Is that what you'll do?
I mean, maybe. I don't know. Our car is so low on gas. Man, that car was really quiet.
It's a Prius, right?
You know what? Since we're waiting, Where are some areas that you guys would like us to drive around?
That's a good question.
We can't do on base because neither of us have base access. So let us know in the comments. We can do Hamahiga, Ike Island. We could do round and round around Kadena. Let us know. I just dropped $40 on 14 gallons.
That's really good.
No, that's really good.
Jeez.
Oh, if you're surprised, you might have been getting gas at the military base, which is cheaper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because Japan, it's like 158 yen a liter.
Oh, this one's good. One of these was crab, and this one's shrimp.
Kokusai Street we've done once, but we get really bad reception over there.
We can do it. Maybe not today. We're like nowhere near there.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be like 2 hours for you guys. You should get there.
Yeah, because you're telling me it's $40 for 14 gallons. I'm like, that's really good. It's a trade-off, though. We get the cheap food, you get the cheap gas prices. Ohio, Gina. Okay, my last thing.
Yeah, we get the good cheap food, the convenience of convenience stores, the convenience of vending machines, the cheap housing, as long as you're not military, cheap cars, but we pay $1 more in gas.
No, I think it's a little bit more than that. I don't
Probably
know.
like $2 more. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
Per gallon.
Uh-huh. Oh, thank you, Sean. Well, let's get gas real quick.
Sorry guys, 1 second. Oh, Kate can drive now. She finished.
Alright. Hopefully that Charlie horse doesn't activate while I'm driving, because that'll suck.
Mm.
You're gonna hear some swear words out of me. I try not to swear on these live Enokies. Luigi's all fired up.
What is this? Is this a bag?
Mm-hmm.
It is? Oh. Okay, 1 second. Almost there, guys. Ready for the drive.
Your chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
If you weren't gonna use it, you shouldn't have opened it. You could have kept it in the car.
Well, I didn't think about what I had. I just had chopsticks. Okay. Let's flip the camera.
Oh yeah, Chris saying that you guys stole his Ryu9 name brand. Hey, Chris said the same thing, cause his gamer tag is Ryukyu.
Well, he uses it for his username a lot, right?
But I really wasn't thinking about him when I came up with the brand name.
Yeah, just so you guys know, we came up with it ourselves, and so did a bunch of other people independently. We thought it was so clever. Okay,
We're driving.
here we go.
Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm feeling the tension.
Oh yeah, it's a good view. It's looking good, looking good. there we go. So let me open your comments on my other phone, then I can read them.
I love that they try to keep a space open.
Facebook would like to use Bluetooth. Oh, no. Okay, here we go. Oh, you wanted to put Ryu9 on mom's license plate until he found out you gotta pay extra.
I wish you could customize license plates in Japan, because then I would totally pay for that.
Oh, guys, so a lot of you know we launched the site 2 days ago, and I just want to say thank you. Like, you know, we were expecting, you know, maybe a couple people to order things, but...
Well, me being one of them, because I had to
Yeah.
test the site.
Yeah, Kit was the first order. She wanted to make sure everything worked, but you guys literally broke the bank. And what I
What?
mean by that is,
Broke the bank?
broke the bank. Isn't that an expression?
I don't know.
Well, anyway, it kind of applies because we funded $500 for this to, like, because how it works is when you guys order, we pay for the merchandise up front, and then over time, you know, we get paid out and reimbursed. But we put in $500 to cover the merchandise, and it didn't cover it because you guys ordered so much.
Yeah, it was crazy.
So we, like, some of the orders got
Delayed.
on hold.
Yeah. Well, we fixed it.
I mean, you
this morning.
guys won't notice anything because we fixed it really quick, but yeah, we had to actually put in more money into the account. So thank you guys. Here's us getting gas. Oh, this is just a do-it-yourself thing, all right?
Yeah, I wish we could lower the prices on our merchandise though. But the problem is the site that we use, their cost of goods are kind of high, so our margins are very low.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's another thing. Okay, she's gonna get gas. It's not one of those where yeah. This one isn't. They have gas stations here that, you know, they fill it up for you. This isn't one of them though. This is a serufu. It says on the sign. Oh yeah, Cynthia, we were wondering how you were doing.
Oh, Cynthia!
Feeling so much better today. It was my first day for Mike with no fever. It was first day. Oh, cool. Awesome. I'm glad. Oh, here. I don't know why I'm looking there. Wait a minute. I have you guys here. It's the easier comments to read. Hold on. This screen, though, is really dark. Let me brighten it. Oh, yeah, Joe. Yeah, Ryu9 appears. We looked it up before we chose it. There wasn't that much of it. Like, people use it, but a lot of times when we come up with these, like, business name ideas, we look it up and there's like 1 million of them. But this one specifically, there wasn't like a
Do
whole
you have
lot.
1,000 yen? Because they won't take my card. This is a stick up. Thank you.
Okay, moving on, back to your comments. Mihara? Is this Mihara? This might be This is, I think it's Aruma, but I think it's Mihara. Yeah. Oh, okay.